We're going to explain how to unlock the on-screen display, OSD menu on your AOC monitor. Many AOC monitors use a similar button layout, but slight variations exist depending on the model. First, locate the buttons on your monitor. These are usually located on the bottom bezel, either on the right or left side or sometimes underneath. They're often small and unassuming. 1. Identifying the buttons. Take a close look. You'll likely find several small buttons, possibly with symbols indicating their function, like a menu icon, an arrow pointing up or down, or a power symbol. 2. Finding the menu button. The key button you're looking for is the menu button. This button is usually labeled with a symbol representing a menu or a list, or it might simply say menu. Sometimes it's the only button without an arrow symbol. Press this button to access the OSD. 3. Navigating the OSD. Once you've pressed the menu button, the OSD should appear on your screen. This menu usually contains options for adjusting brightness, contrast, color settings, input sources, and more. 4. Using the navigation buttons. After the OSD appears, you'll use the other buttons to navigate through the various settings. Typically, there's an up and down button to move through the options within each setting menu, and a left and right button for fine-tuning values like brightness or contrast. The Enter button might be the menu button itself. Press it to select and confirm the chosen settings. 5. Common issues and troubleshooting. If the OSD isn't appearing, try the following. Ensure your monitor is receiving power. Check your video cable connection to make sure it's securely plugged into both the monitor and your computer. Try a different cable, if possible. Make sure the input source selected on your monitor matches the input source you're using on your computer. If your monitor has multiple input ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, ensure the correct port is selected. 6. Consulting your monitor's manual. If you're still having trouble, consult your monitor's user manual. The manual will give you detailed instructions specific to your AOC model number. The manual usually has diagrams showing button locations and functions. You can usually download a copy of your manual from the AOC website by searching for your monitor's model number. 7. AOC website. Support. If you still cannot find a solution, then go to AOC website's support section. There, you'll likely find FAQs, video tutorials, or contact information for further assistance. Remember, the exact button layout and OSD navigation may slightly vary from one AOC model to another, so always refer to your monitor's manual if you're unsure.